Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to write Shopify product descriptions using the built-in AI feature. Shopify now includes an AI-powered tool that helps you create product descriptions quickly and easily without using any third-party service. To begin, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the Products section and click on the product you want to edit or create. In the product description box, you will see an option to use the AI tool. It might appear as a button called Generate Text or something similar, depending on your theme and updates. Click on the AI description button. A small window will appear asking you to describe your product in a few words. You can enter simple details such as the product type, color, material, or any unique selling points. For example, you can type soft cotton t-shirt with modern fit and breathable fabric. Once you enter the details, the AI will generate a complete product description. The text is usually designed to be friendly and persuasive. You can review the generated content and edit it if needed. The AI might produce multiple variations, so you can click Regenerate or try again to get a version you like better. After selecting your preferred description, simply click the Keep button to insert it into your product page. You can adjust the tone or add extra information like size charts or care instructions.